Buck and I are headed out to Brushy Lake in Bankhead National Forest. Maybe do a little bit of walking around, definitely drive around some dirt roads and see what we can see. Follow along. Alright, so this is Brushy Lake recreation area. There are quite a few picnic tables, grills, places for people to come have a nice picnic or an afternoon lunch or spend the day. There is also a campground that I've stayed at a few times, mainly in my tent. It's I say it's all primitive, but you can pull an RV or a camper in there, but there is no power, no running water, anything like that. So, and no cell service out here, which is really nice if you want to come out here and escape the hustle and bustle. The only thing that I can hear right now are the birds chirping and the waterfall down there, and so I think I'm just going to kind of sit here, watch the geese, soak in the sun, and try to relax a little bit, because all of this keeping up with the Joneses and living in the Matrix, it's getting old. I don't know about you. I'm over it.